Your firewall is like the front door to your business. The problem is, most businesses are leaving that door unlocked, or they've left the key under the mat, and attackers know it. A lot of businesses tell us, yeah, we've got a firewall, and that's great, but that's just step one. What actually protects you is a firewall that's configured properly, kept up to date, monitored, and reviewed. We've seen enterprise-grade firewalls get breached simply because no one looked at the rules for a few years. In cybersecurity, a few months is a long time. Businesses grow, staff change, systems get added or removed, and attackers get more and more creative. Your firewall has to evolve with all of that, otherwise you're relying on outdated protection. Almost every review we do reveals the same issues. Default passwords still in place, ports left open from old projects, firewall versions that are years out of date, logs that nobody is checking. Rules that made sense years ago, but no longer reflect how the business works today. The truth is, most businesses don't have anyone regularly reviewing the firewall. It gets installed, it works, and then it just sits there. So the real question isn't, do you have a firewall? Everyone does. The real question is, when was the last time someone checked that your firewall is doing its job? Not confident your firewall is properly configured? Complete our audit to gain a full visibility of your security posture and reveal risks that you may not even know exist.